Question number 1.
He to school every day. A, go B, goes C, gone.
Question number 2.
They playing football now. A is B, our C was.
Question number 3.
She a letter yesterday. A writes B, wrote C, written.
Question number 4.
I watching TV when he came. A, am B was C, were.
Question number 5.
We dinner by 9 p.m. A will have finished. B, finish. C, finished.
Question number 6.
He in London since 2010. A, lived. B, has lived. C, lives.
Question number 7.
If I rich, I would travel the world. A was B, am C were.
Question number 8.
She to the market tomorrow. A, go. B, goes. C, will go.
Question number 9.
They football yesterday. A, play. B, played. C, playing.
Question number 10.
By next week, I this project. A, complete. B, will have completed. C, completing.
Question number 11.
She is interested music. A, on. B, in C, at.
Question number 12.
He lives New York. A, at. B, in C, on.
Question number 13.
The book is the table. A, on. B, in C, at.
Question number 14.
We met Monday. A, on. B, in C, at.
Question number 15.
He was born 2005. A, in B, at C, on.
Question number 16.
The train leaves 7 o'clock. A at B on C in.
Question number 17.
She is good English. A at B in C with.
Question number 18.
They arrived at the airport. A to B in C at.
Question number 19.
The cat jumped the wall. A over B to C in.
Question number 20.
We walked the park. A at B through C in.
Question number 21.
I can't the noise anymore. A bear B bear C beer.
Question number 22.
The teacher gave us some good. A advise B advice C advices.
Question number 23.
The medicine had no side effects. A affect B effect C effects.
Question number 24.
He is much than his brother. A taller B tall C tallest.
Question number 25.
There are people in the hall. A less B fewer C fewest.
Question number 26.
She the keys on the table. A lay B laid C lane.
Question number 27.
The bird and egg. A lays B lie C laid.
Question number 28.
The news very surprising. A are B is C were.
Question number 29.
Mathematics, my favorite subject. A are B is C were.
Question number 30.
She is married a doctor. A with B to C in.
Question number 31.
Don't up so easily. A give B take C go.
Question number 32.
He is the weather today. A, under B, over C, under.
Question number 33.
The company is looking for a horse. A, dark B, black C, hidden.
Question number 34.
I will keep my fingers. A, crossed. B, closed. C, curled.
Question number 35.
He was caught the act. A, on B, in C, at.
Question number 36.
Don't the beans. A, spill. B, spread. C, drop.
Question number 37.
He is cool during the fight. A, lost. B, loose. C, loss.
Question number 38.
Don't the candle at both ends. A, burn. B, fire. C, light.
Question number 39.
It is A of cake. A, piece. B, piece. C, pace.
Question number 40.
She hit the nail on the dot. A, head. B, hand. C, foot.
Question number 41.
Neither he nor his friends coming. A is B. R, C, was.
Question number 42.
One of my friends a teacher. A, are B, is C, were.
Question number 43.
Everyone invited to the party. A is B. R, C, were.
Question number 44.
All the money stolen. A was B, were C, are.
Question number 45.
He me since Monday. A, has not called. B, have not called. C, was not calling.
Question number 46.
She to be a doctor. A, want B, wants C, wanted.
Question number 47.
I have never seen beautiful flowers. A. Such. B. So. C. Much.
Question number 48.
The teacher made the students A. To sit. B. Sit. C. Sat.
Question number 49.
He is the of the two brothers. A. Elder. B. Eldest. C. Old.
Question number 50.
The boy was punished he was late. A. Because B. Since C. As